Welcome to my class. Output devices. In this particular lecture, we will talk about output devices. We shall not go into the details, rather we will have a passing reference of so many things. So let's start talking about output devices. The output unit performs work exactly opposite to an input unit. It gives information obtained after processing the data to the outside world through output devices. Output devices meaning. Output devices are hardware components which are used to display or print the processed information. Monitor, printers, speaker, and plotters. All these are output devices. Monitor. Monitor is the most common output device. It has a screen to display data, information, and instructions. Whatever you do with your keyboard and mouse, it appears on the monitor. The output displayed on the monitor is called the soft copy. Monitors vary in sizes and resolution. The term resolution refers to sharpness of the picture. Printer. A printer is an output device that produces output on the paper. The output generated on paper is termed as hard copy of your data. It can print a picture, text, or both. Printers. All printers can be divided into two parts. The first is impact printers and the second is non-impact printers. Again, impact printers can be divided into two parts, character printers and line printers. Character printers can further be divided into two parts. First is daisy wheel printer and the second is dot matrix printer. Line printer can also be divided into two parts. One is chain printer and the second is drum printer. In the category of non-impact printers, we can divide them into three categories. The first is inkjet printer, second laser printer, and the third one is thermal printer. Now, what is impact printer? The printer that prints the character by striking against the ribbon and onto the paper. They are called as impact printer. Within the impact printer, we have character printers. The character printers print one character at a time. Character printers are of two types. One is daisy wheel and the second is dot matrix. Line printers, as the name suggests, they print one line at a time. Line printers are of two types. One is chain printer and the second is drum printer. Now the non-impact printer. These printers print the characters without striking against the ribbon and onto the paper. They are called as non-impact printer. These printers print a complete page at a time, therefore also called as page printer. In the category of non-impact printer, we have three categories. One is laser printer, inkjet printer, and thermal printer. Printer. In general, a printer can give output both in black and white and multiple colors as well. The printers can be divided into three main categories: dot matrix printer, inkjet printer, and laser printers. Dot matrix printer. A dot matrix printer prints character by striking pins against an ink ribbon and then onto the paper. Each pin makes a dot on the paper and the combination of these dots forms a character. It prints in black color only. It is very noisy but least expensive. The printing speed of dot matrix printer can be up to 360 CPS, that is characters per second. You can see here that the print mark made by dot matrix printer. This is the sample of the output given by dot matrix printer. Dot matrix printer. The next one is inkjet printer. An inkjet printer sprays ink on paper to form characters. The ink is stored in a cartridge. It can print in black as well as multiple colors. It prints at a medium speed. Print quality is fairly reasonable and is generally used in homes and small offices. Laser printer. Laser printer uses laser beams to print. It gives very high quality output. It works like a photocopier. Laser printer is very fast but is expensive in comparison to inkjet printers. In these printers, a laser beam is used to write the image on a paper. First, the image is formed by electrically charged thousands of dots on a paper by laser beam. Then the paper is sprayed with the toner having opposite charge and is passed over the heated roller to make the image permanent. DPI, that is dots per inch, it reveals the quality. More dots per inch, it means there is better quality. The next one is thermal printer. Thermal printer prints the character by melting a wax-based ink off a ribbon onto a special heat-sensitive paper. They give letter quality printing but are relatively expensive in maintenance than other printers. Speaker. Speakers are output devices. They generate sound produced by the computer. The next one is plotters. In response to output signal generated by computer, the graphical plotter moves a pen across a sheet of paper and produces graphical drawings, etc. An output device to print high quality graphics and drawings of engineering and scientific application. So plotter is an output device to print high quality graphics and drawings of engineering and scientific applications. Three important types are flatbed plotters. It prints the graphical image by moving the pen on stationary flat surface material. They produce very accurate drawings. The second one is drum plotters. They print the graphical images by moving both the pen and drum having paper. They do not produce accurate drawings. And the last one is inkjet plotters. Inkjet plotters use inkjets in place of pens. They are faster than flatbed plotter and can print multicolored large images. Thank you very much.